Introducing the new asterEVO automatic book sewing machine, the ideal solution for bookbinders willing to produce lay-flat books with demanding quality requirements. With a running top speed of 12,000 cycles per hour, asterEVO offers high performance and top engineering quality. The saddle is driven by a camshaft running in a cam box. This type of drive is exceptionally strong and maintenance-free. The unit features an extraordinary compact design with loading and unloading station only 1 meter apart. Ergonomics and the automatic sliding front guard allow easy operation and access to the machine. The large-capacity in-feed hopper enables comfortable loading. Signatures are laid onto stretch-resistant transport belts and accurately squared. GigaLink's dual control, available upon request, allows the reading of barcodes and images. The new system, located in the hopper, immediately identifies sequence errors, allowing their correction. The sealed opening head features 2 top, 2 bottom vacuum openers and a built-in lap opener. Upon request, the unit can be equipped with 4 top and 4 bottom vacuum openers. A reforming wheel prepares the signature spine for sewing. Signatures are then transferred under a programmable accelerator wheel and conveyed to the sewing unit. asterEVO features automatic speed variation within a book cycle, ensuring maximum production rate, particularly with mixed signatures. A double belt pull guide accurately aligns signatures before sewing. Short sewing and hook needles reduce the chance to flex and break and guarantee maximum sewing quality. Book blocks are automatically separated and forwarded on a large, easy-to-access delivery. A trimming device automatically reduces thread ends to approximately 10 millimeters. asterEVO features, upon request, the stagger stitch. This reduces thread buildup at the spine, which is particularly significant with high signature count books printed on thin paper. An advanced Siemens PC, together with a 15-inch swivel color monitor, controls all functions and allows easy setup thanks to self-explanatory graphics. For further assistance, the PC is ready for remote service connection. A live support is then performed by expert engineers. The system also features an application for scheduled maintenance with detailed videos to facilitate operations. asterEVO. Top quality, efficiency, and productivity in its class.